Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Adobe Lightroom for video assets. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start authenticating with Adobe Lightroom, first, ensure you have the latest version of the application installed on your device. Open Adobe Lightroom. On the welcome screen, find the option to sign in. Click on the Sign In button. If you already have an Adobe account, enter your email and password. If you do not have an account, select the option to create one. Follow the prompts to set up your new Adobe account. After entering your credentials, click Sign In. If prompted, complete any two-factor authentication required for your account. Once signed in, navigate to the Library module. In the Library module, locate the video assets you want to work with. To import video assets, click the Import button in the top left corner. In the Import dialog, navigate to the folder containing your video files. Select the video files you wish to import. After selecting the desired files, click Import to bring them into Lightroom. Once imported, your video assets will appear in the library. You can now start organizing or editing your video assets. To edit a specific video, double-click on it to open the editing panel. Explore the editing tools available to enhance your video content. To export, click on the Export button in the lower right corner. Choose your export settings and destination folder. Click Export to save your edited video asset. You have now successfully authenticated and managed your video assets in Adobe Lightroom. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.